Looking at our full forecast now, starting off with our radar and satellite, we're seeing some cloudy conditions and mostly within the 30s, but that is expected to pick up definitely as we head later into the day. We're also seeing a little bit of the 40s as well, but today we're expecting to see as high as 65 degrees here in Bakersfield and as low as 53 degrees in Tehachapi. Expecting 59 degrees in Mojave, 63 degrees in Lake Isabella. Now tonight, these are going to cool off similar to what we're seeing currently, actually. A lot more of the 30s, staying within the lower to even to the upper 30s as well. Air quality is moderate, and we're currently seeing some gusty conditions along some of these mountain areas, and outside of that, more breezy conditions that should start to die down. However, it's going to pick back up as we get closer into Friday and really continue into the weekend as well. But this is looking at Friday morning. We can see some pretty strong winds kicking in, especially towards these desert areas. Gusts could be upwards of 45 miles per hour. Not only that, but over the weekend, we do see a cooling trend headed our way. So you see that heading south, and that means we're going to see much cooler temperature as we head into early next week as well. Let's get a closer look at that. Starting off today, again, we have a high of 65 degrees and a low of 36 degrees in the valley. Clear skies throughout the day, starting off in the 40s, warming up into the 60s. We're expecting to stay within the 60s even as we head into the weekend, but that's going to start to drop over the weekend with that cooling trend. We could possibly see some freezing temperatures as we head into early next week as well. In the mountains, Lake Isabella, we're following that same trend as Bakersfield. Frazier Park and Tehachapi, we're starting off in the 50s, but that does eventually drop into the 40s.